In the course of the most recent couple of months, Tesla has been opening more power in its non-execution Model S and Model X vehicles. The most recent Tesla vehicle to get the treatment is the Model S 100D. Another test demonstrates that the vehicle can quicken from 0 to 60 miles per hour a full half-second speedier than what Tesla publicizes, making the form of the Model S known for its range relatively aggressive with the execution adaptation. The news takes after the uncorking of the power in Tesla's Model 75D vehicles a month ago after Tesla acquainted new execution improvements with Model S and Model X vehicles the previous summer. The Model S 75D's 0 to 60 miles per hour speeding up went down to 4.2 seconds from 5.2 seconds, while Model X's went from 6.0 seconds down to 4.9 seconds. Tesla would not like to expound on the noteworthy speeding up overhaul, past saying that it is from programming and equipment changes. Yet another part number for Tesla's back-wheel drive electric engine appeared around a similar time, demonstrating that the execution upgrades may be credited to a better-than-ever engine. The distinctions for the 100D renditions were authoritatively less critical. Display S100D's speeding up was refreshed to 4.1 seconds down from 4.2 seconds, and Model X 100D went from 5.2 seconds down to 4.7 seconds. Presently, it would appear that Tesla is really underselling the execution of the most recent Model S 100D. Drag Times got a fresh out-of-the-box new Model S 100D loaner yesterday and tried the 0 to 60 miles per hour increasing speed with much better outcomes. The auto quickened to 60 miles per hour in only 3.6 seconds versus Tesla's promoted 4.1 seconds. Strikingly, the auto likewise had the most recent programming refresh with chill mode, which gives the choice to back off the speeding up of Tesla's vehicles significantly for the individuals who don't care for the neck-breaking torque. Drag Times likewise tried a dispatch with the chill mode on, and it brought about a 7.2 second 0 to 60 miles per hour speeding up.